everyone, welcome to you all. So today we are going to discuss about a new poem of class 11, that is The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. So let us read the first stanza. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling shower, with strange to tell, give me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. So now in this poem, the poet asks a question to the rain. Okay, he asks that what was its identity, and surprisingly, the rain replied that it is the poem of the earth. तो पोएट जो है वो एक क्वेश्चन पूछता है ओके रेन को, एंड सरप्राइजिंगली रेन उसका आंसर देता है एंड दैट वो पोएम ऑफ द अर्थ है, राइट. एंड जो पोएट है वो ट्रांसलेट कर देता है आंसर्स को टू द रीडर सो दैट द रीडर कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट. The rain, in its own voice, tell the poet that she is the poem of the earth. The rain is trying to say that a music gives pleasure to human being and the rain gives happiness to the mother earth. Right? Now next, okay, so do means you. Okay, what is the meaning of do? It means you. समटाइम्स क्या होता है वो आप लोगों का एग्जाम में मीनिंग भी पूछ लेता है वर्ड्स का. सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज नेक्स्ट आंसर. Eternal I arise, impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely from had altogether changed and yet the same. So यहाँ पर क्या बोला गया है? Eternal means everlasting. ठीक है. Impalpable means unable to be felt by touching. And bottomless, very deep and deep sea. Okay, and vaguely means unclear. Okay, now the poet says that the rain is an eternal arise, it is a everlasting process, but it takes different forms at different times, right? It rises from the land and deep sea in the form of a vapor and then goes up to the sky. मीन्स द होल प्रोसेस इज डिस्कस हियर कि क्या होता है. मैं आपको हिंदी में भी बता देती हूँ कि जो रेन है वो लैंड से एंड डीप सी से वेपर बन के भाप बन के मतलब goes up to the sky and then you all know that it forms a cloud of different shape, right? and फिर जो क्लाउड्स होता है उसके अंदर कोर मैटर होता है जो कि सेम रहता है. Since the vapor and the clouds contain water, they get transformed into the other. So the word impalpable and eternal indicate that nature is not fully understood and some part of it is always remains beyond our reach. ये क्यों बोला गया है? बिकॉज जब जब बॉटमलेस सी से या फिर लैंड से जो वाटर्स है वो वेपर बन के जब ऊपर की तरफ स्काई में जाता है तो वो हम देख नहीं पाते. दैट इज इनविजिबल प्रोसेस टू अस. तो यही कहा गया है, इसीलिए ये दोनों वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. दैट इज नंबर 1 इज एटर्नल एंड नंबर 2 इज impalpable, right? Next one is next stanza. I descend to leave the droughts, atomies, dust layer of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent and born. So this whole stanza describes the work that the rain do. Okay, generally. So leaf means wash, droughts means dry spells. What do you mean by atomies? Atomies are the tiny particles. Okay, so the raindrops pour down from above to wash away the droughts, dust layer that is involving the earth, and it is degrading and is lying lifeless, right? The showers remove the dust particle from the earth and clean the earth, and this also help in germinating the seeds which were dormant due to dry spell, due to drought. Okay, now fourth stanza, last stanza. And Forever by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. Important line. And make pure and beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering, wreckage and unwrecked duly with love returns. So the rain is a means continuous process, you can say. So it does all the work that I have earlier discussed, and here in this here in this quotation, means in this bracket form, you can see a bracket is used, right? तो ये bracket use किया गया है क्योंकि जो poet है वो अपना कुछ बातें यहाँ पर share करता है. The poet observes that the life of rain is similar to that of a song. जैसे कि एक song and a poem is a creativity, a art of calm, help, and transform and trail. In the same way, the repeated evaporation and condensation purifies the rain, right? And it goes to its own origin again. मतलब वो घूम फिर के अपने origin में फिर चला जाता है ना? The poet therefore draws a parallel between a rain and a music, that as both have a rhythm and ability to trail. Both of them are beautiful in their own way, and they went back to their, you can say, same origin after the whole process. Okay, so this is a beautiful poem. And what do you mean by wreckage and unwrecked? सो यहाँ पर रेकेट का मतलब है रिकॉग्नेट एंड अनरेकेट मीन्स अनरिकॉग्नेट. कभी कभी जब बारिश होता है तो आप देखते हो यहाँ पे इग्नोर करते हो, राइट? लेकिन जो रेन है वो तो अपना काम करता है, वो बारिश बन के फिर अपना होल प्रोसेस को कंटिन्यूअसली चलाता है. तो दैट डजंट मैटर इफ यू ऑब्जर्व इट और डजंट ऑब्जर्व इट, राइट? तो इसीलिए ये दोनों वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. So I think it is clear to you all. Now कुछ poetic device है, because without poetic device a poem is just not valid, right? So let us discuss the poetic devices. So first I have to clean this. Wait. So our number one poetic device is personification here. Okay. So the rain has been personified as it has been given a voice in the name in the poem. So यहाँ पर personification खुद rain है. The voice of the rain is a personification because it is personified as a voice in the poem. Next one is metaphor. I am the poem of the earth. So this is metaphor. Okay, I'm just writing here that this one is metaphor. Wait, metaphor. Yeah. Okay. So this one is I am the poem of the earth. This is metaphor. So what do you mean by metaphor? The poet uses a metaphor to compare how the rain leaves the ground to come back to the and then come back to the ground, right? Like a person. Next one is simile. The last two lines are simile. Okay? The poet has drawn a parallel between the rain and the song. So these two lines are simile. बिकॉज यहाँ पर मैंने अभी भी डिस्कस किया था कि यहाँ पर जो पोएट है वो रेन और म्यूजिक को कंपेयर किया है, इसीलिए. नेक्स्ट वन इज हाइपरबोल. Bottomless sea is a hyperbole. Okay, is an example of hyperbole. The poet describes sea as a bottomless, which is an exaggerated statement to bring out the desired effect. मीन्स बढ़ा चढ़ा कर कहना हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, वही है आप लोग का हाइपरबोल. सो दिस वन इज हाइपरबोल. Yeah, I'm writing it because so that it is clear to you, right? Whenever you see. So this one is hyperbole. Now, last one is imagery. In the first line of the poem, soft falling shower, you can see here, this is imagery. ये imagery है, ठीक है? uh, it gives the reader an image of gentle rain. हाँ, क्योंकि जब हम लोग सॉफ्ट फॉलिंग शावर को बात तो हमारे मन में एक पिक्चर आता है रेन का, राइट? सो दिस इज इमेजिनरी. ओके, या. सो दैट्स ऑल. इतना तक ही है हम लोग का पोएटिक डिवाइसेस. मैंने आपको इस वीडियो में पोएम को समझाया, ठीक है, फिर उसका पोएटिक डिवाइस आपको समझाया, वर्ड मीनिंग्स बताया जो कि डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स था. सो इस चैनल में आपको पूरा इंग्लिश का गाइडेंस मिल रहा है क्लास 11 का. बट आई एम सेइंग दैट आप लोग तो सब्सक्राइब करते ही नहीं हो. ओके, सो प्लीज डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, बिकॉज अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो हम लोग को मोर एंड मोर मोटिवेशन मिलता है आप लोगों के लिए और वीडियोस लाने का, right? So for that reason I'm telling you, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more and more videos like that. ओके, कुछ दिनों के बाद हम लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर भी डिस्कस करेंगे, चैप्टर्स भी डिस्कस करेंगे धीरे धीरे. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. बाय.